If you want to automatically sort your single list after you combine your data from a bunch of different tabs, this one's for you. And the way that you approach this will really depend on the formula that you use to combine the list. On my videos showing how to combine multiple tabs into a single list, I got the question of how to sort by a deadline. So in my original two tabs I'm pulling from, I added the shipment date. Now if we use the query formula, which is in my opinion the easiest way to do this, after call 1 is not null, we'll simply say order by call 6. And the reason why we're putting call 6 is because the dates are listed in the 6th column of the dataset. So as you can see, it automatically sorted the data that's there in ascending order. And we can test it out to see if it works for future data. So I'm going to go ahead and put example, and then add a random date. So let's go ahead and select August 22nd. And now when we go back to our full list, you can see that the example row is automatically in chronological order with the rest of them. Now if instead of using the query formula, you use the filter formula option instead, between equals and filter, you'll use the formula sort, and then after the formula, you'll put a comma, 6, comma, true. And once again, you're using 6 because the data that you're trying to sort by is in the 6th column, and true is simply saying ascending order. So now we can go and add another row to test it out. So I'm going to put test, and then I'll put a random date. Let's go ahead and select August 16th. And as you can see, once we go back to our combined list, it's right here in chronological order. So that's how to automatically sort your combined list using both query and filter. I hope you liked this video, and like and subscribe for more.